Dune Patrol.
Ha-ha! Yeah! There is nothing like the beach!
What he said, baby! I love the way the warm sand feels beneath my doggy toesies.
Oh, and I love the way the wind whips the salty sea spray off the ocean. So refreshing. Guys, we're dancing around the most important part, the waves!
No waves for me today, gang. Thank you very much. Now, who's ready to play some catch?
Oh, pick me, I'm ready, I'm so ready.
I pick Hal. Go long. It's up there. Last one at the top of the sandy hill is a multi-cheddar. Not that there's anything wrong with that.
What's wrong, little bird?
You can't go up there. That hill is a sand dune, and just walking on it can hurt it. It could fall apart. Use a pathway, please.
Huh? Okay.
Thanks, Mr. Dog. It's just that the sand dune is very important. No offense, Mrs. Clover. It just looks like a hill of sand to me.
What makes the sand dune so important?
Allow me to explain.
Oh, please explain. In song form, maybe? Wink, wink.
You read my mind, Mr. Dog. Hit it! Dun, 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 dun. This dune acts as a barrier, blocks the sea and all its foam. It helps hold back the ocean. Yes, this dune protects our home. Dune, 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 dune. Stay off the dune, dune, dune. Protect the dune, 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 dune. Let's hear it for the dune, 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 dune. Dunes are like big storage bins. They store up lots of sand. They help replenish beaches, so let's give those dunes a hand.
Dunes make great habitats.
We think that dunes are best.
When we're tired from migrating.
Oh, we need a place to nest.
Dunes are very fragile. You can ruin them with your feet. So please don't walk upon them. Help keep those sand dunes sweet. Dune, 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 dune. Stay off the dune, dune, dune. Protect the dune, 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 dune. Let's hear it for the dune, 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 dune. Yeah. Dune, 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 dune. Yeah. Dune, 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 dune. I had a nest on another beach, but it was washed away by a big storm. There was no dune to protect it. I need this dune to protect my nest here.
Agreed, little bird. We now understand these fragile dunes are important and need protection.
Yeah, we love sand dunes. We love you, sand dunes. Stay sandy.
Guys, we gotta make sure no one ruins the dunes. Okay, I get it. Agreed. But how do we do it?
I know. We become the Dune Patrol.
From the break of day till the rise of moon, you know we'll protect this dune.
Whoa.
We're gonna crash into the dune.
No, watch, gang. Tally-ho!
Woohoo! It's sand surfing time for the Ronald. Uh-huh. What in the world just hit me? Oh, I should have known. Hello, nature cat.
Hello, Ronald.
What crazy deep game are you playing here anyway?
It's no game. We're on Dune Patrol. We protect the dunes.
I don't even know what a dune is.
Oh, they're so cool. What they are
I
is...
don't have time to listen and don't really care. I'm going sand surfing on that huge sand hill over there. Okay, have fun, Ronald. Maybe we'll join you.
Oh, surfing on a sandhill sure does sound like fun.
You got that right. Sandhill surfing sounds like big time fun.
You guys know what a sandhill is, don't you? The sand dune. Ronald's gonna climb up and surf down the sand dune.
Ah! We have to stop Ronald!
Dune Patrol! Ho! Ronald! Get down from there this instant! The sand is sliding down!
Get down from here? Why? Oh, he's just jealous he can't sand surf. What do we do? We gotta get him off that dune!
Freeze, mister!
Why am I freezing?
If we
we climb the dune, we may cause more damage.
Daisy's right, team. We need to figure out a way to stop Ronald from surfing down the dune without disturbing it ourselves.
A few more steps, and the Ronald will be surfing in the sand.
Hurry! How do we stop him? Ronald's almost to the top!
Aha! I have an idea. Quick, fly me. Dune Patrol! Ho!
Hey! What are you doing?
Saving the day and the dune! Nothing can stop me now!
Oh no! They're gonna crash into the dune! Hold!
Huh? Why did you stop me from surfing down that awesome sand hill?
Because, Ronald, that so-called sand hill is actually a sand dune, and you may not surf on it.
Why not, Squeaks?
Because, Ronald, sand dunes are important. They protect the beaches from storms and...
You know what else is important? The Ronald having fun on the beach. Toodle to the ooh.